मातरम। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। वंदे मातरम।
Good afternoon to one and all present here. They may kill me, but cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will not able to crush my spirit. I think this quote must have reminded you all one of the greatest freedom fighters of Indian history, Bhagat Singh. He was born on 28th of September 1907 in Sandhu Jat family in Punjab. He was born in a family of freedom fighters. His father Sardar Kishan Singh and uncle Sardar Ajit Singh were fully involved in the struggle for the independence of India. Being born and brought up in such an environment always inspired him to uproot the Britishers from India. It was all running in his blood in support of the Mahatma Gandhi to boycott all government-aided institutions. He left his school at an early age of 13. Later he joined the National College of Lahore, where he learned European revolutionary acts which motivated him a lot. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919 drove him to Amritsar, where he kissed the earth sanctified by blood. By 1925, he founded the Naujawan Bharat Sabha for national movements. Later he joined Hindustan Republican Association, where he came in contact with other revolutionaries on India. He also began writing revolutionary articles against Britishers. All his activities attracted the attention of Britishers towards him. They also arrested him in 1927. The turning point of his life was in 1928, when an attack by Britishers caused the death of freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai. Bhagat Singh was determined to take revenge for the same by shooting the official. Deputy Inspector General Scott, for whom India lost one of the most active freedom fighters, he shot down another official, mistaking him as Scott. Then he escaped from Lahore to Kolkata and from there to Agra, where he established a bomb factory. He and his associates bombed the Central Legislative Assembly in protest against the trade dispute bills. He surrendered. Police arrested him for the same and confessed his involvement in the incident. He went on a hunger strike for 116 days in the prison to fight against the inhuman behavior with the fellow prisoners. Later he was executed on 23rd March 1931 at the age of 23. He was smiling before being hanged at his tender age. He was a freedom fighter who never thought about his own life, who kept on smiling and served the nation till his last breath. Bhagat Singh was indeed a true patriot who was an outstanding, unmatchable revolutionist from a young age. He is a person who dreamed of throwing guns in the fields in his childhood to fight against the Britishers. He never feared his life and always ready to go every possible thing for his motherland. His death brought a wave of patriotism in the whole country. He is always considered to be a martyr for the country, a brave son of a mother, India. We all remember him today, Shahid Bhagat Singh.
Thank you.
रंग दे बसंती चोला मेरे रंग दे, ओ मेरे रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ रंग दे बसंती चोला, मैं रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरे रंग दे बसंती चोला, रंग दे बसंती चोला, मैं रंग दे बसंती चोला। जिस चोले को पहन शिवाजी खेले अपनी जान पे, जिस चोले को पहन शिवाजी खेले अपनी जान पे, जिसे पहन झांसी की रानी मिट गई अपनी आन पे, आज उसी को पहन के निकला, आज उसी को पहन के निकला हम मस्तों का टोला। ओ मेरे रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरे रंग दे बसंती, ओ मेरे रंग दे बसंती चोला, मैं रंग दे बसंती चोला। लौट कर आ सके ना चाहा मैं तो क्या, याद बन के खिलौने तो आ जाएंगे। ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।